Cat Quiz 3. True or false? Can you get all 5? Cat Quiz time. 5 true or false questions about cats. Most people won't get them all. Play along and keep score. Question 1. True or false? Cats can make over 100 different sounds. Answer: true. Fun fact: dogs make about 10 sounds. Cats are chatty. Question 2. True or false? A cat's nose print is unique, just like a human fingerprint.
Hi, Ellie.
Answer: true. Fun fact: no two cats have the same nose. Question 3. True or false? Cats can taste sweetness. Answer: false. Fun fact: cats don't have sweet taste receptors. Question 4. True or false? When a cat slow blinks at you, it means they trust you. Answer: true. Fun fact: it's often called a cat kiss. Question 5. True or false? Cats always land on their feet. Answer: false. Fun fact: they're amazing jumpers, but not invincible. How did you do? Comment your score. Follow for more fun cat quizzes.